2.50.
Bhayabhyantara stambhavritir deshakala sankhya paridrishto dirga sukshmaha bhayabhyantara stambhavritir deshakala sankhya paridrishto dirga sukshmaha.
Pranayama is the regulation of the inhale and exhale by bringing focus to the location, desha, time, kala, and count, sankhya, of the breath. Our prana expands and becomes more subtle, sukshma. Here are 3 examples of pranayama practices based on place, time, and length of breath. Desha, place of focus. Bring your awareness to the tip of your nose. Observe the sensation of air flowing in and out of your nostrils. Hold your attention here for a few moments. Then shift your awareness to the rise and fall of your chest. Notice the changing sensations here. Then move to observe the flow of prana from the abdomen. Continue this practice and watch how quickly the mind calms. Kala, amount of time. Breathing in and out through the nose. Inhale for 1 count, followed by an exhale for 1 count. Continuing to breathe in and out through the nose. Next, inhale for 1 count and exhale for 2 counts. Then inhale for 1 count and exhale for 3 counts. Continue the sequence up to 8 counts of exhalation. Let's begin. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 1, 2. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale for 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sankhya, length or count. Explore different breathing ratios, such as inhaling for 4 counts and exhaling for 6, or inhaling for 6 counts and exhaling for 8. Let's begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.